How to tell real leather from fake leather. Some people guess. Some shopkeepers say, I guess that's real leather. I used to say, number one, you could smell it. Nothing smells like real leather. I used to say that. But today, you can be fooled. Oh, that smells grand. And I know that's real leather, but you can be fooled. I was walking down the street and I smelled chocolate chip cookies. They smelled fresh. I turned into the shop and I looked around. There was a little tea cart, but there were cookies and they were all perfectly round and they were individually stacked and wrapped. And I thought, that's not what I smelled. And I said, where is that smell coming from? And when I turned back to the foyer, I saw the little box that had a fan and it was pumping out fresh cookie smell onto the street. Can't even trust your nose anymore. Don't you love the smell of leather car seats? And then yet, do you know that car companies have one of these? A fragrance that smells like real leather. I used to say it's the feel of leather. You put it between your thumb and your fingers and you rub it, you stretch it, you pull it. It just gives the right amount. And if you rub it really fast in one place and you put some wear on it, you might start to get a little patina. I used to say that. Now man-made products work really well. They're just not as tough as real leather. They look pretty good. They just don't last as long. It's the tag. If it says genuine, real leather on the tag, that's it. And now we've learned that some retailers tell tales. You can't even trust that. In fact, you purchase a real, genuine bag from them, and even before the credit card slip clears, they're around the corner. So, your trust has to be in someone who's in the leather business, who makes and sells and creates leather bags that says, trust us, we'll stand behind our product. There's a lot of videos and blogs on our site about real leather and what to look for and how to treat it and how to take care of it. We hope you watch some of those. But really, when it comes to trusting someone, make sure you trust someone who stands behind their product. Buffalo Jackson does that. If they say it's full grain or top grain, which is the type of leather they use, if it's bison leather or cow leather or buffalo leather, and yes, there's a difference between bison and buffalo, they'll tell you the truth. Honor your wild.